Children, let's learn colors name.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one.
Blue,
The mouse ran out.
orange,
Tick tock, tick tock.
gray, red, purple,
Hickory dock, the bird looked
pink,
at the clock. The clock struck two.
brown,
Away she flew.
yellow,
Hickory dock, tick
white.
tock.
See here?
Hickory dickory dock,
Violet,
at the clock. The clock
purple, orange, blue, pink, green, brown. Now we will write A, B, C with brown and purple color. Let's start. The first letter is A.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her
Can you see these lines?
hickory dickory dock, tick
Next is
tock.
B.
Hickory dickory dock,
C.
pecked at the clock. The clock struck six.
D.
Little six. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
E.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
F.
tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
G.
Hickory dock.
H.
Hickory dickory dock,
I.
the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one.
J.
Hickory dickory dock, tick
K.
tick tock.
L.
Hickory dickory dock, the
M.
bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two. Away she flew.
N.
Hickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
O. P.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked
Q.
at the clock. The clock struck three.
R.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
S. T.
Hickory dickory dock,
U.
there sat by the clock. The clock struck four.
V.
He ran out the door.
W.
Tick tock, tick tock.
X.
Hickory dickory
Y.
dock, the bee buzzed round the clock.
And
Struck five.
Z.
Went to her high. Hickory dickory
Now let's read again. A. A for ant. B. B for balloon. C. C for car. D. D for duck. E. E for engine. F. F for frog. G. G for giraffe. H. H for horse. I for ink. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W, W for water. X, X for xylophone. Y, Y for yo-yo. Z, Z for zebra. Bye-bye.